Hey love, so the company SAKER reached out to me and asked me to review this mini electric chainsaw, 4-inch portable cordless electric chainsaw. Let's open it up. So we have this. Marcus is going to open it up. I think that's just a battery pack, and looks like it's got some oil. Put that right there. Little screwdriver, so it's charger. And the instructions manual. Alright, so here it is. Here is the little battery pack it came with. However, what'd you do? How did you get it to go?
This button here.
That button. So, alright, let's go find something to cut real quick. Oh, that's easy. Give me a thumbs up.
You don't know what she's doing. You don't know what. No. Push the button. Now pull a squeezer. Probably dead. That's for a man to use. Give it here. Yeah, it's dead. Wait, no. Hit the battery in. You pop the battery out. Just slapping it back in there. Yeah, now hit it. I hope you're gonna pick these sticks up. Here, leave that alone. You ain't gonna pick these sticks up. Simple and easy to use.
We were doing some other yard work outside, so I'll just cut the sound off so you don't have to listen to that running in the background. But here I am cutting through a piece of drywall, and he's showing you the nice clean edge that it gave us. But we just started grabbing stuff out the garage at this point because it was so easy to cut through everything. And as you can see, I'm doing it. So you can tell you don't need a lot of strength behind it or anything like that. We cut the drywall. We had a couple 2x4s in there. And then this was like, it went to a trundle that we had that went under our daughter's day bed, and we got rid of it, but we could never get this cut down to, you know, be able to dispose of it properly. So as you can see, it's cutting right through it like butter. We did not charge the battery pack beforehand, so everything here is being used off the battery pack that came with it. Note, you do need some type of protective gear. Like I said, we just jumped right into it, so don't come for us. We just wanted to show everything. But this was really nice, and I would recommend it. Small, compact, easy to use. One thing to take note of, I noticed while I was cutting it, it seemed like the wood chips would get caught in between where the battery and the chainsaw was, and I would have to take the battery out and kind of blow it out like that. So something to be mindful of. It did get caught up on a couple little tree wood chips, and when I was cutting the 2x4, it went through a wire and that had to get untangled, but no biggie. I just made sure I disconnected the battery so there was no power getting to it, and went ahead and pulled all that out. I will have the Amazon link for this in the description below. And if you've stuck around this long, thank you all for watching.